Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the Harley Davidson Homelink garage door opener system. It comes with the system itself, 2 screws, and you have to buy the mounting bracket separately. If you're going to purchase the Homelink, please make sure that you go to the Harley Davidson website and that you find out which bracket mounts best for you. All right. Let's get into it. All right, as you can see, I did the hard part for you. I already took off, I pulled off the side cover, removed the main fuse. You always want to do that before you do anything involving electrical work, okay? I already took off the fairing, speaker covers to get to the fairing, and if you have the 24 rogue light, you have to take off your headlight as well, because you have to get access to this plug right here. You can't get access to it from above, all right? So again, got your mounting bracket, your 2 screws, and your Homelink system in itself. All right. When it comes to there, your 2 screws are going to be two T30s. If you look in front of your Harley Davidson amplifier, you have these 2 holes right here. What you're going to do, all right, what you're going to do is you're going to slip that underneath, and it's going to essentially sit like that. Now, for now, I'm just going to hand tighten these. Sorry. Using my T30. Torque wrench is going to be between 49 and 60 inch-pounds. Which for now I am just going to hand tighten. Okay? All right. As we are, that's basically it right there. From here, what you're going to do is you're just going to click in your Homelink system, so it's locked in that bracket right there. You're going to bring this plug from underneath. You're going to come to the side. You're going to pull this little tab out because it's got this little cover on it. And from there, push, and you've got it released. From there, okay, let's see which way it goes. Goes with that little tab coming up top. Push it until you hear the click, and you're mounted. What I'm going to do before I put it back together, we're going to get it to work. For right now, I'm going to readjust the camera, and we'll go through setup. All right, once you got your main plug back in, believe me, I sat here for a second wondering why it wouldn't turn on. Then I remembered, hey dummy, put it back in, put the main fuse in. All right, once you've got that done, go ahead and turn it on. From there, you go to your main, go to the main system. Go to the Homelink. Okay, welcome back everybody. I don't know if you can see it, but I went to the dealership and got it flashed, because on these 24s, once you hook up the Homelink, you have to go to the dealership and have them flash it. So now I can click down on the home. Now I already kind of set it up, so because it was kind of a little bit of a pain, but so all I did is I hit garage door 1, and I followed the instructions. So pretty much from there, what it has you do is it has you take your actual clicker, not the garage door itself, but the clicker, and put it next to the Homelink, you'll hit the button. Here, let me show you on another one. Essentially, it says that. So you hit start, and then from there, what you do is you just hold it down and it connects it. All right, and then once it's connect, I literally just have to, and my garage is open. And if I want to close it, let's wait till it's done. All I'm doing is hitting the light switch. And there goes my garage. I just want to tell everybody thank you for watching my videos. I'm Aaron. This is Sin City Projects and Outdoors. Please like, subscribe, and follow. Have a good day.